Today we are making what?
Sushi.
Sushi! You like sushi?
Yeah.
Let's make. You know how to make?
Put on me.
Yeah?
Rice later.
Yeah, first of all, we need to put... What is this? We got
Cucumber, fish, natto
salmon,
soya sauce,
natto. This is radish. Yellow radish.
radish, crab.
And crab stick. Now, you need to put the rice first. Okay, put the rice. Okay, so what do you want to put first? Salmon.
Yummy.
Why so big?
No, this way. This way.
Why so big, Molly? Sorry. Ayo.
Yes, like that. Okay, let's roll.
Nah, told ya. Why so big?
Wow. See?
I
See?
try one.
Where's the? Can you show me the salmon? Show me. Cannot see. Wow.
One.
You like? Yummy? You make by yourself. Wow. Okay, so this time we are adding natto. Wow.
Try I do now. Nah. I do one.
Try one time. Try one time.
No.
Oh, last time you like. Okay, so mommy will eat later. Wow, now this is what? Okay.
Yummy. Yummy.
Yummy.
Oh,
Now, let's try
cucumber.
the cucumber.
Whoa.
Wow.
Cucumber very long.
Let's roll.
Sushi.
Okay, Minato, your cucumber sushi is ready.
Is it just now cucumber?
Yeah?
Oh yes.
Oh. Wow. How is it? Wow, butterfly come inside our home.
It's me.
Wow, butterfly and Spider-Man together. Butterfly and spider.
It's mine.
Okay, now Minato, let's continue making sushi. Now which color you're putting? Yellow one. This one mommy's favorite. The radish. They put the color I think. I don't know the name in English, but it's really nice. Then can you put here? Minato, which one is your favorite?
My favorite is not this, not this, and this one you like.
Don't like?
This.
So cucumber, salmon, and the crab you like.
Then
Which one is number one?
number one.
So, oh, number one? Okay.
These two choice, not number one.
Okay, okay, but mommy like. Okay, okay.
Which one is your favorite? Thank you for watching my video. Bye.